Welcome back to Exclusive Motors. We've got the 2018 Mustang GT with an amazing set of options. Really rare options that you really can't find on too many other Mustang GTs out there. Let's go check this bad boy out. Here we've got a super clean 2018 Mustang GT with the 10-speed automatic transmission. I'm gonna walk around the car. I'm gonna show you the inside and the outside. And then I'm gonna get to the options that this one has that most other Mustang GTs do not have. This is my favorite angle on the Mustang GT, especially when the wheel is turned just like that. Got the Coyote 5.0. One of the best engines, bang for the buck out there. I love the Stormtrooper look. With a couple more slight modifications, this thing would look the best. Now, what this GT has that most of them don't have is the blind spot package with the advanced cruise control. Really, really rare set of options here. Really clean interior. Look at that. All right. Start it up here. Got the navigation. And then as you can see right here on the steering wheel, you're gonna see some options. And those options include the advanced cruise control. So this car is gonna follow vehicles just like, you know, other type of high-tech vehicles do. Typically electric cars or newer Mercedes. Once again, very rare to get this package on the Mustang. So when you do want to relax, you totally can. Now, it also has blind spot monitors. So it's going to tell you if there's somebody over your shoulder. Now with the blind spots, they're not as bad as the newer Camaros, but you still have some blind spots on these Mustang GTs. Of course, you're going to have the backup camera, some other features as well, including the ventilated and heated seats. Now this Mustang currently does have the stock exhaust. You can modify the exhaust to make this thing sound really good, but it already sounds really good as it is. I'm gonna give it some gas for you guys so you can hear what it sounds like. I did warm it up for a little bit before this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring it up to about 4,000 RPM. You can hear what the exhaust sounds like in the cabin. There we go. Now you've got all your controls down here for sport mode, track mode. You can change the stiffness of the steering wheel. You can make the car react quicker when it comes to shifting. If you want to slide around a little bit, you can turn the traction control off right there. Nice brushed aluminum type of interior. All around, very clean vehicle. Now I'm going to pop the hood, show you what it looks like underneath. As you can see, we detail our cars. The engine is going to be really clean until it finds its next owner. If you guys have any particular questions about this Mustang, feel free to give us a call. It's 916-249-7890. Thank you for watching.